Right, okay, I'm going to create a video using Invideo, and it's a countdown clock. So I'm going to go to create, and it's a blank template. I'm starting with a blank template, and it's going to be wide. It's going to be 16 by 9. And I press start editing, and it creates a blank project for me. But it's got the logo on, which I don't want, so I'm going to take that to the bin. And it's got the text on. I'm going to take that to the bin. Now, the first of my building blocks in doing the clock is to actually upload the video that I'm going to use. And I've got one there prepared earlier, so I'm going to broadcast, going to click and collect, and I'm going to upload that video, and I want the full video. And that file is being uploaded. Now you've got to actually wait until that file is uploaded. Now whilst that's uploading, what I can do is I can go to media, and I can type into the search box countdown, and that brings a series of countdown clocks up. And whilst I'm waiting for the video, I can select what sort of countdown clock I like. Now these are all the preset ones that are stock videos, and I can click on it and it will play. You might not see this, but it's actually doing the countdown now. Okay, that one. Let's try this one. Okay, so this is going to be a 30-second countdown clock when it's ready. So take a look at the clocks and decide which is the best for you, is my advice. And I'm just waiting for the video to upload. Now, elements are the video, which I'm going to put onto the screen in a moment, onto the black box. And then the second element is the countdown clock itself, and one is overlaid on the top of the other. So let's wait for my video to come through and be processed. I should have uploaded this before I began. That might have been a good idea. But it's being optimized as we speak. And if I go to uploads, there's my video, and I can just drag it onto the screen. And that's not my video. Just a minute. There's my video. I'm going to drag it onto the screen. Okay, so it's going onto the screen, and I can come back to me here and press play. Now it's already got music with it, so I don't need to add music. So next thing I need is a countdown clock. So going to media again, and I'll move myself down. There are my countdown clocks, and let's just play this one and see what it looks like. There we are. Okay, I'm going to choose that one. You could choose any clock that you like, but I'm going to bring that and I'm going to put it in the bottom left hand corner, and I want it to be as a layer. Okay, so add it as a layer. Take the whole clock, or if you wanted to trim it, you could trim it down to however many seconds you want it to be. Press done, and OK, accept the warning. Shrink the countdown clock, put it in the right hand corner, and press play again. So there we have it. Countdown clock in the bottom right hand corner. That's how easy it is. So upload your video, choose your countdown clock, add it as a layer. We're done. It's as easy as that. Now you can add your own music. You can add your own music if you wish. but then it's ready. So you just need to export it, which is what I'm going to do now. And there it is, and it's processing, and the video is processed, and you can then, as it says there, download it in 1080p, and you've got your countdown clock, which is using your video, music you've selected, and a countdown clock that you can choose from the selection on Invideo. As you saw, we can actually trim the video so that we could change the countdown from being 30 seconds to being 16 seconds, or whatever you want it to be. Obviously you can't extend it, but you can decrease it. So that's it, and we'll wait for that to go through. But it is so simple and straightforward with Invideo. You do need to have a premium account to actually use some of the clocks, but it is so easy to do, to actually put together your own countdown clock using your own video. Music, I bring my own music with me from Jamendo, and then the clock I use normally is my own clock, but I've just shown you actually using one of the countdown clocks that is within Invideo, and all you simply do is bring that clock into the scene as a layer and place it where you want, shrink it. You can have it as big or as small as you want. You're in total control, and it can be anywhere on the screen that you want it to be. And as you can see, processing is reasonably quick. Given that they have so many users, it is very quick. And I just enjoy using Invideo for actually creating short one-off videos for promoting a business or a course, or using as a countdown clock, which you can actually use to start a live broadcast. Now I've created over 50 of these, all different, many of them generic, can be used and are being used by BeLive broadcasters, and I say thank you to, well, they're actually on other systems as well. I say thank you to everybody who's actually using my countdown clocks. I'm glad that they have become popular and used on a regular basis. So my countdown clocks appear on live video every single week, if not every day. I'm just going to take that off screen. Okay. If it wants to go, it might not want to go. So we're nearly at the end. If you've got any questions about how to do this, then please do ask, and I'm willing to answer any questions about creating clocks. It's so simple and so straightforward to do, and we're almost there. I just want to show you the video at the end so you can see that we've done the whole thing. We've not actually done part of the job. We've gone from a blank screen through to this complete video, and you can do it too. You need an Invideo premium account if you're going to use some of the clocks, or you could find some free clocks. I tend to find that the premium elements are better quality. Okay, let's play. And as you can see, the countdown clock is in the bottom right. Okay, now what I should do obviously is to trim the video so that it does go down to the right count. That's the only thing I didn't check, was whether it's actually going to finish on time, and I don't think it is. I should have just moved it slightly so that, right, okay, but you get the idea. That's how to use a countdown clock and create a countdown clock.